In this video, I'll explain you the concept of dynamic metadata in 24Files. And we'll do this by means of an example. So assume that for a contact, we need to upload different type of documents, like for example, a CV, identity card, or driver license. And we would like to have that reflected as metadata both in SharePoint and 24Files. So in order to start the use case, I'll navigate to SharePoint and we'll first create the metadata. So I'll hit the choice here. I'll click next. We call the metadata doc type. So it's a choice. We'll have either the identity card, the driver license, or the CV as a choice, and we'll save it and we'll create the metadata type here. So you see the doc type appearing here. Next, we'll navigate back to Salesforce. We're going to select the object configuration tab and we'll hit new. And we'll start with the contact. So let's select contact here. We'll do it for all record types. We're going to use the 24Files test site, document library, and a web list. And now we're going to select here in these first columns, we'll select those metadata fields that we want to see appear in the 24Files component. So we already have name, type, modified and created by. And here we see the newly created doc type, which we'll add to the list as well. And in the fields to edit column, we'll say that the user at the time of upload needs to specify the doc type. So we'll add it here to the right-hand side column and hit the save button. Next, we'll navigate to the sales app and we'll select the contacts and we select Jeff Miner here. And we see the 24Files components being loaded here. And what we see here is that indeed doc type has been added as metadata fields. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to upload a file. We're going to select the file. And we see here an identity card. And what the user is now presented with the metadata type doc type, and you see there is a drop down, a pick list of types of documents. So we select here, it's an identity card, and we click hit upload. The document is being uploaded to 24Files and SharePoint, and we indeed now see that the doc type is a new metadata field and the identity card has been filled in. And if we navigate to SharePoint, we see the same thing. We see the identity card being reflected as a metadata fields on the document that we've just uploaded. So this was the end of the demo. So you've seen both that we can customize the list of metadata that are available within the 24Files components, as well as the capability to add and define metadata at the time of upload of a document.